Do you want to save money but find yourself struggling to do so? It's easy to feel like you're living paycheck to paycheck, constantly worrying about your spending. What if there was a way to save without drastically cutting back on the things you enjoy? Imagine having a simple system in place that helps you build your savings month after month without feeling restricted. Stick around, because today we're diving into 5 practical and smart saving techniques that will empower you to take control of your finances, build your savings, and start planning for a brighter future. Let's get started. 1. Crafting a personalized budget plan. One of the smartest ways to gain control over your income is by crafting a personalized budget plan that fits your lifestyle. Often, the idea of budgeting seems overwhelming, and many people avoid it because they think it's too complex. But in reality, budgeting doesn't have to be hard or restrictive. It's simply about knowing where your money goes and making intentional choices. A budget acts as a roadmap, guiding you through the month and showing you exactly how to allocate your income to cover essentials while setting aside money for future savings. Instead of using generic rules, you can personalize your budget to suit your spending habits and goals. For example, the 50/30/20 rule is a great place to start, but you can adjust the percentages based on your situation. The key is ensuring that you're not overspending on unnecessary items. Having this awareness allows you to better prioritize your financial goals and avoid impulse spending. With a well-planned budget, you can allocate funds for savings, and by sticking to it, you'll find yourself making smarter spending decisions without feeling deprived. It's important to review and adjust your budget regularly to account for any changes in income or expenses. Once you get the hang of it, budgeting becomes second nature, and you'll find it much easier to stay on track financially. 2. Setting realistic saving goals. To save money successfully, you need to set clear, realistic saving goals that align with your lifestyle and priorities. Without specific goals, saving can feel like a vague or daunting task. Whether your goal is to build an emergency fund, save for a vacation, or pay off debt, having a clear target helps keep you motivated. The beauty of setting goals is that they turn the abstract concept of saving into something tangible and achievable. Start by breaking down your big financial goals into smaller, more manageable targets. For example, instead of thinking about saving a large sum of money, focus on smaller, consistent weekly or monthly savings. By setting small, achievable goals, you can create a habit of saving without feeling overwhelmed. The trick is to be consistent and track your progress regularly. You might start saving just $40 a week, and over time, that amount will add up significantly. Remember, your goals don't have to be grandiose or expensive right from the start. The important thing is to get into the habit of saving and make incremental progress. Setting realistic goals gives you a clear focus and makes saving feel rewarding as you watch your savings grow. 3. Tracking your spending to uncover hidden costs. One of the most effective ways to save money is by tracking your spending. You'd be surprised at how quickly small, everyday purchases can add up, often without us even realizing it. Tracking every expense, no matter how small, gives you a clear picture of where your money is going. It's not about making yourself feel guilty for spending, but about creating awareness around your habits so you can make smarter decisions moving forward. The great thing about tracking your expenses is that it doesn't have to be complicated. You can do it using a budgeting app, a simple notebook, or even an Excel sheet. The goal is to capture every single purchase, from your daily coffee runs to those occasional impulse buys. As you track your spending, you'll start noticing patterns in areas where you're overspending. Perhaps you're eating out more than you thought, or you're subscribed to multiple services that you rarely use. By identifying these unnecessary expenses, you can make small changes that have a big impact on your savings. You don't need to eliminate everything you enjoy. Instead, focus on cutting back on the areas where you can be more mindful. For example, reducing your monthly dining out budget by just a small amount can help you save hundreds over the course of a year. You'll soon find that once you become aware of your habits, it's easier to make changes without feeling deprived. After tracking for a month or two, take some time to review your expenses. Are there any categories where you're consistently spending more than expected? Use that information to adjust your budget and make sure you're on track to meet your saving goals. As you continue tracking your spending over time, it will become second nature, and you'll start making smarter financial choices without even thinking about it. 4. Maximizing your savings with high-interest accounts. If you're serious about growing your savings, using a high-interest savings account is one of the smartest techniques to consider. Most traditional savings accounts offer low interest rates, meaning your money isn't working as hard as it could be. High-interest savings accounts, however, allow you to earn more from your savings, making it easier to grow your money over time without doing any extra work. The power of high-interest accounts lies in the way your money compounds over time. For example, instead of earning a small amount of interest on your savings, you'll receive more money, which will also earn interest, creating a snowball effect. This is a great way to let your money grow passively, especially if you plan to save over the long term. The best part is that high-interest savings accounts are typically low risk and provide easy access to your funds if you need them. When choosing a high-interest savings account, be sure to shop around for the best rates and terms. Some banks offer online-only accounts that provide even higher interest rates than traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Make sure to compare the fees, minimum deposit requirements, and account features to find the best option for your financial goals. It's also worth considering the interest rate on your savings in relation to inflation. Ideally, your savings should grow faster than the rate of inflation to preserve its purchasing power. As you deposit more into your high-interest savings account, you'll start seeing the benefits compound over time. This is one of the easiest ways to make your money work harder for you. By maximizing the potential of your savings, you're giving yourself a financial cushion that will grow with minimal effort on your part. 5. Eliminating high-interest debt. One of the most impactful saving techniques is to eliminate high-interest debt as quickly as possible. High-interest debt, like credit card balances, payday loans, or high-interest personal loans, can severely limit your ability to save. Each month, you're paying interest on top of your original debt, which means less money is going toward paying off your principal. By focusing on paying off these high-interest debts first, you free up more of your income for savings and investments. Start by prioritizing your debts based on interest rates. Pay off the ones with the highest interest rates first, as these are the debts that are costing you the most money. Once you've tackled the most expensive debt, move on to the next one. The sooner you pay off your high-interest debt, the more money you'll have to save and invest. It might take time, but the relief you'll feel once you're debt-free will be worth the effort. If you have multiple high-interest debts, consider consolidating them into one loan with a lower interest rate. This can simplify your payments and make it easier to pay down your debt faster. You might also want to look for ways to earn extra income to speed up the process. Whether it's freelancing, taking on a part-time job, or selling in used items, any extra money you make can be put toward your debt repayment, allowing you to pay it off sooner. Once you're free from high-interest debt, you'll have more flexibility in your budget and be able to redirect those payments into your savings. This technique is one of the best ways to take control of your finances and set yourself up for a secure, debt-free future. There you have it, the top 5 smart saving techniques that can help you take control of your monthly income, build solid financial habits, and secure your future. Remember, small, consistent actions can lead to big financial results over time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical advice on saving, budgeting, and building wealth. Take control of your finances today, and let's make 2026 the year you build a better financial future. Thanks for watching. I shall see you in the next video.